And here's the monster. With the other monster. Look what she did to the, this was my mother's welcome mat, which she destroyed last night. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi to Daddy, Wayne. No. She There we go. She's worse than the other one. Look at them. There you go. Now you got a sample of what goes on. Luna! Basta! See? What happened? Playtime. Esos no lo son. Barks if she doesn't want to play, and she barks if she wants to play. It's a big mess. We know this.